There's my ponies. Hello. Are you actually going to go in your stall tonight? You've been kind of a turkey about it. Oh, don't you bite my fingers. Hi, big boy. Hi. Ready for your dinners? Come on. Come on. There we go. Go get your dinners. Good boy. Come on, you turkey. What a good girl. Thank you. That's my good boy. You're always such a good boy. Yes. There you go. And always patient, Miss Ada. Yes. Thank you. There you go, ma'am. Want your apple? There you go. Got your treat. There you go. Got your treat. There you go. There you go. Oh, there you go.